Hey guys, it's been a while since I last greeted you, and hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm currently at the airport, right? And my flight leaves at 10 to 2, so I'm just waiting for my boarding time because I'm at the gates now. I'm just chilling out. One thing about East London Airport, it's this tiny. Literally, it's so tiny. So yeah, I hope I greeted you guys properly a bit. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to be sure to be part of the family. But if you're a regular dealer at day one babe, welcome. So I don't know how this vlog is gonna run, but all I know is that this week it's gonna feel like a whole entire year, right? Because my week is so hectic. I need to go and redo my brows because the lady who did my brows did a terrible job because I asked her to follow the shape and she didn't. So I need to go and do my brows. I need to go and do my hair because I need to do braids. Oh, by the way, I got these Prada almost lookalike shades from Mr. Price. Mr. Price is the plug now, and these were only like 70 bucks compared to you paying 4K for Prada shades, like honestly. So yeah guys, I'll catch up with you guys when I arrive because the noise is just, it's a lot. Honestly, it's a lot. Hey guys, so it's literally been a few hours, I think 2 or 3 hours since I just got back. And I'm ready. Yeah. Already, Adult Ting has me here by the neck. Because I chose to buy myself some clothes. Oh, by the way, here we stay. Here I stay. There's a restaurant. So I don't feel like cooking tonight. And I know I'm supposed to be on a diet, but we're going to start on a diet tomorrow. Because being an adult, pete up in the min. So I'm just going to have chicken strips with fries. And I have to say the portions are stunning.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it.
Everyone, welcome back. It's another day. Today is Tuesday. So what's on the agenda for today? Well, today I have to go to the mall to get some groceries and to exchange some stuff, and then to also send something via Pep And then hopefully I don't spend that much money today. But yeah, let's just go to the mall. And then guys, excuse the mess, that's my laundry. But Masambe, CMO, Pinesbuye. Oh, and then I'm also supposed to meet up with SK at the mall. So I'll see.
See how rewind when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do.
Let me put you on. Mr. Price has these. It's not a painting, it's a picture. These pictures that you would get. I mean, the pictures where you would print out a poster and then, you know, just hang them. They have them. And it's like $3.79. I like that one though. I don't know if whether should I get it or not. But they have nice wall art here at Mall of Africa. I don't know about the other Mr. Price.
Show me something. You be more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how.
Just don't grow up.
I'm stressing.
Oh, sorry. What else do you need? Oh, sorry.
Did you see what thingy pictures like? What video do you think he likes? Wait, let me actually take a break. Wait. Sweet potato, what video do you process?
By the way, I forgot to update you guys. So I'm at the mall. I'm at Mr. Price home with. Hi everybody! Finally, she hasn't been on the vlog and for how long? Remember the last time? When was it? When we were together on the vlog? 3 years. It's a while.
And I'm back. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Yes.
You wanna be here. You wanna stay here.
You wanna enjoy here.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
Is that all you need, friend?
Yeah, and I friend when I was something else.
Okay, Makoti, off you go.
Hey, wait, Tata.
That's the end of the day. Hey guys, so I just got back home. Nah, let me turn down the volume. I just got back home. Oh, the lighting is better here. So I'm gonna do like a quick haul of just the important stuff that I got. So I got these candles, these spiral dinner pearl candles, right? And these were 59 Rand at Mr. Price home. I saw the same candles and they only came in twos at home and they were 79, so I wasn't gonna spend 79 bucks. And then I went to these. I had bought slippers when I was back at home. This is just lemons that I got. I bought slippers when I was back at home, but then I didn't like those ones, right? So I went to Willie's here and then I went to go and return them. I mean, I went to go and do an exchange. Then I got these ones in a size 5 to 6. The previous ones that I got were a size 7. what? Yeah, 78. Oh yeah, and then I also went to go and exchange these PJs because the sizes that I had bought when I was at home were a bit big, right? So I got these PJs, right? And I'm gonna do a reel. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please go right ahead and follow me now. If that reel is not up yet, I'm probably sure that reel is gonna be up by the time I post this vlog, right? So those are the pants, and they were on special because Woolies has this big 50% off sale on everything. So I got the PJs, and then the pants, and then I got the matching top. But then the thing is, with the matching top, I couldn't get my size, and my size is either a small or a medium. So I just took a large, right? And I'm gonna be shooting a video very soon. I mean a vlog. Why do I keep on saying a video? Hey guys, so I'm currently at my nail appointment and I'm here to do my nails and my toes because you have to maintain yourself as a hand, right? So I don't know what's happening tonight, but yeah, I'll show you guys my nails and my toes when I'm done.
Zaza, who, I mean, he loved it. He loved it, you know. So shout out, man. It really is incredible. So if I can just get some of the panelists to come and join us on stage, and then we will introduce them as the night progresses. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. So,
Okay, look at mine first. Okay, where? Let's go right.
Me and Maggie. Love it. And I love, ladies. Thank you.
I'm gonna have to take off this makeup, but hey guys, so it's the next day, right? And excuse me, and this morning I was currently shooting something for Pamela, and it's probably gonna be up even before I post this vlog, but I just wanted to come out here and show you guys and also close off the vlog because I think, honestly speaking, I think we have gotten enough content. Like, I think everything is good and I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, then honey, what are you, like, honestly, what are you waiting for? Well guys, I need to go and do dermaplaning. I need to go and red my brows or wax them again. I need to go and do my hair Oh, by the way, I did my nails at Eva on Board, and absolutely amazing. Love them. And I also did my toes, but I'm not gonna show you my toes. But yeah, guys, so that's it for this vlog. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. Oh, and by the way, in my next video, I know I've promised you guys this so many times, but in my next video I will be doing a giveaway, right, of some hair care products, and that also links up with the reel that I am going to do, for the hair care giveaway. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do go right ahead and follow me. My Instagram handle, I would leave it right here on the screen. And yeah, that's it, guys. I don't want to ramble too much. I'm starting another vlog. I have to be somewhere right now. So I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next one, I will see you babies again. Bye.